In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workflow in Asana. If you've been looking to streamline your project management and enhance team productivity, then you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the essential steps for setting up a successful workflow in Asana, perfect for teams of all sizes and industries. To start, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. For those new to Asana, you'll want to click on Get Started or Try for free to create an account. Having access to your dashboard is where the magic begins, as this is your central hub for managing workflows. Once you're logged in, we'll dive into creating projects. To initiate a new project, look for the plus button. This will allow you to create a new space where you can choose from different views such as list, board, calendar, or timeline. It's important to select a view that maps onto your team's workflow needs. For instance, the board view is great for Kanban style management. Next, you'll want to assign a name and description to your project. A clear and descriptive title will help keep everyone on the same page, ensuring that your team understands the project's purpose and scope. Organizing tasks within your project is crucial for smooth operations. You can do this by adding sections in list view or creating columns in board view. These act as categories where tasks can be sorted, making it easy to find and manage them. With your sections or columns set up, it's time to delve into the details of task management. Begin by creating tasks within each section. It's essential to break down larger projects into manageable, actionable steps. This not only makes the workload more digestible, but also sets a clear path towards project completion. Keeping track of progress is made easier by setting due dates and priorities for each task. Assigning deadlines ensures that your team stays on schedule, maintaining the momentum of the project. To increase accountability, assign tasks to specific team members. Knowing who is responsible for what helps clarify roles and responsibilities, reducing overlap and confusion. For more complex tasks, consider adding subtasks. This further refines the task into smaller steps, making them more achievable and easier to monitor. You can also enhance tasks by attaching files or including links to relevant resources. This keeps all necessary information easily accessible in one place, further supporting the team's efficiency. Collaboration is key to any project's success, and Asana offers several tools to facilitate this. Utilize the comments section within tasks to discuss details, ask questions, or provide updates. To ensure your messages reach the intended team members, use @mentions to tag them directly. This helps draw their attention swiftly to pertinent information. Stay informed about the progress by following tasks. This way you receive notifications on updates or changes, ensuring seamless communication across the board. Finally, if certain tasks depend on the completion of others, create task dependencies. This feature allows you to set dependencies that visually represent workflow order and completion logic, ensuring everything proceeds as planned. By following these steps, you're setting up a robust workflow in Asana that fosters collaboration, efficiency, and clarity. Happy project managing!